Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have got another Star Wars build. It's not a huge build, but it's another spaceship. This one is 75333 and it is Obi-Wan Kenobi's Jedi Starfighter. It is from 2022 and it's only 282 pieces. And you can get it from Lego and Amazon for $29.99. So there's no price difference between the two websites. You could probably find a cheaper, better deal on eBay or Bricklink or other websites. Get 3 minifigs. There's some sort of alien torn Wii with a huge neck, and then Obi-Wan Kenobi himself, and then R4P17. Kind of looks the same like R2-D2. I'm not very familiar with Star Wars and their characters, so I wouldn't have any clue what the difference is between that robot and the other robot. Don't look a bad build. I have done a fair few spaceships now and they do tend to be quite decent. So let's see how this one fares, shall we? Now we have our Obi-Wan Kenobi Starfighter. Wasn't a bad, quick little build really. On the back of the instructions is a massive set of other little spaceships. I think some of them we have done, some of them I haven't. There's one that's a bit of a walker. It's got a fair few Star Troopers with about 6 legs. Looks pretty brutal. Probably belong to the bad guys. They always tend to have the best stuff. But yeah, this one ain't too bad. It's got a couple of little guns on it. Looks like it's got 2 huge like thrusters at the back. So it must have some speed, and with the shape of it, you would expect that to be really quick. It's got a bit of a cockpit to put Obi-Wan Kenobi in there. It does show you can clip his lightsaber underneath. Not too bad for storage, I guess. Don't know if he stands in there or sits in there. Can he stand? No, so he must sit down. Yeah, it sits down. Then it also shows you this bit comes off. I'm guessing that's to transport him. It shows you his head comes off. And then it goes on to here. But I don't know if he acts as like a turret, like a gun from his head. I don't know if he shoots, or I don't know if that's how he sits, like how he would appear in the cockpit. I'm not too sure on that one, but it is a good way of just transporting him about. But then obviously there's no room for this alien, so I'm guessing they spot this alien on their travels or something. But that is my build for today of the Star Wars Starfighter from Obi-Wan Kenobi. I am still looking at trying to get a Millennium Falcon, and I've not actually watched Star Wars before. So eventually if I do get a big build for the huge Millennium Falcon, I think I'd have to put Star Wars on in the background and see it not in real life, but as in the movie, see what it's capable of doing in the movie as I'm building it. But yeah, that is it for today. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel please, helps me out, and I will catch you on my next video. Thanks.